Good morning, I am Atmatullah Nyagariacha from Accounting and Tax. Today I would like to tell you about my daily activity. At 6 a.m. I wake up, wash my face and breakfast. At 7 a.m. I start a little body stretching and exercise. At 8 p.m. I start to rest for a few minutes and take a shower. At 10 a.m. I rested at home while watching several film series. At 1 p.m. I start painting at home. At 3 p.m. I went for a walk with my friends while riding a motorcycle. At 6 p.m. I went home for dinner and continue talk with friends. At 9 p.m. I start sleeping to wait for tomorrow. That's all my daily activity. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.